Hi and welcome to the LANDWorksCAD tutorial. My name is Cedra and I'm going to show you how to modify or edit your plant database in LANDWorksCAD. So to start with, we are going to locate the plant database file in C drive, users, public, LANDWorksCAD version 7 folder. So this file here, named as LANDWorks Plant Database, is the database file which is saved in the form of an Excel sheet, and we can modify the database from here just by double clicking and opening this Excel sheet, or we can do it directly from LANDWorksCAD file as well. So in order to do that, we are going to open a LANDWorksCAD file here. In LANDWorksCAD, we have three kinds of plants: concept, proposed, and existing plants. But right now, we are going to work with the proposed plants. So I'm going to click on this Insert Proposed Plant option. I'll click here, and it is going to fetch all the data from the database. Now, in order to make the changes in the database, I'll just click on this Allow Editing checkbox. And now I can make any kind of changes in the database. Let's say if I want to edit or delete something, I can do that as well. I can change the basic figure, detailed, image, or the elevation options as well. So if I click here, it is going to take some time and then it is going to show me all the options available. So let's say if I want to select this one instead of this figure, I'm going to click OK. I can also change the detailed figure. So if I click here, and let's say I don't want any of these figures, so I can just type here LL02. So this is the one that I want. I'll click here and then I'm going to press OK. Right? And in the same way, I can change the elevation figures as well. Now, in case I need to insert a new plant, I can select the row underneath which I need the plant to be, and then I'll click on Insert New Plant. So a new plant will be inserted under that row. Let's say I want to insert a new plant in the end, so I'll click on this row and then click on Insert New Plant. So a new plant will be inserted in the last row. Now, in order to populate these fields, I can just enter any kind of dummy data here. Except for the botanical name, I need to insert a unique botanical name for each plant. So in order to populate this option, I'll just insert a basic figure here. So I'll click. And now I can insert the basic figure that I made in the last tutorial. So I'll click here and now I'll click OK. Right? I can also add a detailed figure here. I'll click here and then I need to press OK. I don't actually need to select these unless I'm going to insert this plant in my file. So I'll just type here 1, let's say, any dummy information. And here I can type anything as well. Here the botanical name needs to be unique, so I will type something unique. And from here, let's say that this plant belongs to this family. So I'm going to click on it. I'll press Ctrl C on my keyboard, and now I'll click back and press Ctrl V on my keyboard. In the same way, let's say I want to copy the common name as well. I'll select it, press Ctrl C, select my plant, and then press Ctrl V. So my new plant has been inserted. Now I'm going to save the database, so I'm going to click here. Yes. And the database is saved. It means that all these changes have been added in the Excel sheet as well. So I'm going to click OK, and just to make sure that I don't make any more changes in the database, I will uncheck this Allow Editing checkbox. So let's say that I need to insert this new plant in my database. I will select the new plant from here, go down, select this one, and now I can insert it by using any of these three options. So let's say I'll select this first option here. So insert by 1 point, click, 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 and then right click. I can also insert it by using all the other options like 2 points and scale 2 points. With 2 points, you can click here, click on the plant, it is going to rotate, and if you click one more time, it is going to be inserted. Right? So click again, click one more time, it is inserted. Right click. So if I use the third option, this one, scale 2 points, I'm going to click it, and just make sure that a diameter that you set for this plant is going to be overridden because the diameter here I can change it easily. So I'll click again, and this is my plant. It's been inserted. Again, click here, and I can insert my plant here. So right click. So this is how you can modify your plant database in LANDWorksCAD file, which is very easy. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please hit the like button and please feel free to comment as well. Thank you.